Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Smartsheet forms and responses using exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the Smartsheet where your form is located. Locate the specific form you wish to backup. Click on the form to open it. Once the form is open, look for the Responses tab at the top. Click on the Responses tab to view all submissions. To export the responses, find the Export button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Export button. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred export format. You can choose formats like Excel, CSV, or PDF. After selecting the format, the export process will begin. Wait for the export to finish, and your file will download automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the file to ensure all responses are properly captured. For additional backup, consider storing the file in a cloud service for easy access. Repeat this process for any other forms you wish to backup. Regularly backing up your forms and responses can help maintain data integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.